Here are 4 reasons why I do not drink coffee anymore, because how it can affect your skin health and your body. Hi, I'm Kim, founder of Skin Wellness Academy and the creator of the Skin Transformation System. In this video, I'm going to share with you 4 reasons why I choose not to drink coffee anymore. And how I did it was just so easy. I just basically built up the reserves within my body and crowded out all of the cravings that I used to have for coffee if I didn't have it straight away first thing in the morning. I just pumped my body with lots and lots of smoothies and fresh juices like celery juice and things like that, and ate really well and meditated and did a lot of deep breathing, things like that. So then I basically gave my body the chance to be addicted to something else that was good for me rather than coffee that wasn't. So here I'm going to share with you 4 the reasons why I decided to do that and how I've been able to keep that up for the last 4 years now. Okay, so the first reason why I don't drink coffee is because it's a diuretic. Okay, so it's gonna make my body more dehydrated than it is. And I live in Asia. So in Asia, it's already so hot, so humid. I'm sweating buckets all day, all the time. I'm at the beach a lot, and I like to drink, a wine occasionally and things like that as well. And so just drinking coffee just really causes my body to lose much more water than it needs to. And also it's not really good for my skin's barrier as well. Like all of the water I drink, I want it to be able to flush through and detox my body, and not just to be able to leave my body dehydrated from the effects of coffee. And the reason number 2 why I don't drink coffee is because it has no nutritional value. So why drink it for? It doesn't really do anything to my body except it stimulates adrenaline, which is a stress response, which then leads into reason number 3. So reason number 3 is when you drink coffee, it really causes a bit of a stress on your body, because at first it gives you a lot of energy because it gives you that adrenaline rush, that energetic instant basically rush, right? And so then we feel like we have so much more energy to go through our day, but then how long does that power up actually last you for? And then after that you end up with this slump, and then you crave more coffee. And so when your body is adrenaline is triggered in your body, it's actually using a lot of your body's reserves. So if you are not eating well, and you're not quite relaxed naturally anyway, and you drink coffee, it's going to actually cause your stress responses to be even higher. And so when you are when you've got adrenaline running through your body registers that potentially as a threat, as a stress, as a fight or flight freeze response. And so when that happens, there's going to be a lot of like blood circulation, that your heart is pumping faster, your eyes are like dilated, all of the blood circulation is going through your limbs because your body now is preparing to flee, to fight some kind of danger. And so I don't really like that feeling as much, knowing that's what it's doing to my body. And then I spend so much time and energy into making sure that my body gets amazing nutritional value out of my food, and we eat really clean, fresh produce. And so I feel like if I drink coffee, it kind of just counteracts all of the efforts that I'm putting in there. So I power up with natural juices and breathing exercises and stuff throughout my day, and water, lots of water rather than coffee. And I promise you 4 reasons. So the fourth reason is, I kind of already talked about it in reason number 3 already. It is the slump in energy. I don't like feeling up and down, up and down, up and down all day. I like my energy levels to be consistent throughout my day. And so then I don't get the mood swings and stuff that I used to get as well. And so I didn't like that. And so that's why the 4th reason is literally just what can I do in order to sustain my energy throughout the day, rather than relying on coffee to give me a boost, and then I'm awake, and then all of a sudden, the next minute it takes a dip, and then I am left with craving for sugar, craving for carbs, craving for anything that's going to help to now pick my energy up again. So I'm just reaching out for quick fixes all day. So it wasn't really good for my weight or for my skin, or because all of these things cause a lot of excess oil in your skin, high inflammation within your body, and so the sweat comes out a bit more acidic as well. So then that causes a lot of skin dehydration, skin irritations, gut irritations, so a lot of whole body responses as a result of drinking coffee. So there you go, 4 reasons why I do not drink coffee anymore, and I do not regret the decision. I do not want to ever really drink coffee ever again, I don't think, for all of these reasons. And I hope that you can relate to it, or that you feel what I'm talking about. If you would like to hear more of the tips I share about skin health and wellness, welcome to check out my website, www.skinwellnessacademy.com. Lots of freebies on there for you to check out more of as well, if you want to help transform your skin from the inside out and have really healthy, hydrated and glowing skin for life.